Customer experience trends for 2025. Well, I hate to say it, but we'd be remiss not to say that the world of AI is going to continue to be prevalent, and I am sure that we are going to see smarter, more evolved ways of working using the ever-growing technology that is available at our fingertips. But what I really hope to see, and I am starting to see this come around in conversations more and more often, is that actually we're not just using this innovative technology to make efficiencies and support the way we do things as they exist right now. I think one of the things that the world of customer experience misses most is just generally using customer experience to innovate the way that we do things. We so often in the world of customer experience are focused on fixes. And if we're always fixing things, we're never really improving the customer experience. We're just maintaining the status quo. So I think a big thing that I hope is a trend and that we are going to start to focus on more in 2025 with this use of AI is that actually it enables us to do the basics, to do the foundations, and it gives organizations more creative time to actually innovate the customer experience rather than just continually trying to fix and improve.
Whoa, did I lose you? It happens. You see, poor audio can make us seem less credible because when information is hard to process, trust just falls away. Studies from USC and ANU found that audio quality has a massive impact on trust and therefore CX outcomes. In CX, this means that 46% of customers say they would be less likely to return after a poor call experience. So as AI takes over human interactions, engagement will be reserved for critical, complex, and nuanced conversations where quality is everything. Call quality can be affected by many upstream factors, which is why achieving harmony in these interactions is key. To make this possible, companies will need real-time insights, not just for IT, but for agents speaking with customers. Remember these words, CX observability. It's going to be essential to keeping humans in the loop, engaged, and prepared in 2025.
Hello, everyone. I'm Michael Fawcett from Arian Research. I'm here to spotlight one of the most exciting trends shaping the future of customer experience, digital empathy and emotional CX. 2024 has already brought big advancements in using AI for customer experience with autonomous AI agents or agentic AI, transforming how businesses interact with customers. But there's still a missing piece, and that's emotional intelligence. Currently, AI lacks the ability to understand and adapt to customers' emotional states, which limits its potential to truly enhance the customer experiences. In 2025, we'll see a new focus on empathy-driven interactions designed to build trust with customers. Emotional AI will detect customer moods and adjust its communication tone to create experiences that feel human-centered and compassionate. The technology driving that shift? Large behavior models, or LBMs. Unlike traditional AI models trained on text, LBMs learn from human behavior. They recognize emotional cues, predicting the best responses based on what they observe, making customer experience feel more personal, empathic, and effective. So get ready for a truly empathic AI. As we head into 2025, emotional customer experience will be the key in delivering experiences that feel less robotic and more human than ever.
Hello, CX Today. My name is Jeff Sheehan, and my big prediction for CX in 2025 is that we will see the continual shift away from surveys and scores CX programs and a move towards a business case customer experience management approach. What do I mean by that? I mean looking for opportunities as CX leaders to avoid costs, improve operational efficiency, remove friction for customers. And where do I think we'll find those opportunities? I think the best place to start is the contact center. Looking at the contact center will give you an incredible amount of data, quantitative and qualitative data, and opportunities to find the friction that customers use that makes customers abandon shopping carts, for example, or that makes customers call back because they couldn't get their answers from your digital solutions. I think if you look at the contact center for your business cases, you will find lots and lots of opportunity to move your customer experience program ahead.
Hi, it's Rebecca Wetterman from Valoir with CX predictions for 2025. the rise of the voice channel. In 2025, CX leaders will shift their focus to voice as a channel. With all the momentum around AI and digital interactions, it's easy to forget that voice is the preferred channel for many and a great way for brands to build empathy and loyalty. As Agentic AI automates many digital interactions in 2025, CX leaders will refocus their efforts and their humans on voice interactions and improving the quality of those interactions for both customers and employees. What will this mean? Well, it will mean traditional metrics like ACH lose ground while measures of quality and empathy gain. It also means leaders will have to look to new data-driven measures to optimize both customer and employee experiences. And as Agentic AI moves into the voice realm in 2025, real-time measures of the quality of voice interactions will be all the more important.
Hi, this is Martin Schneider with Constellation Research. When I think about predictions for 2025, obviously AI is still top of everyone's mind, and we're actually starting to see deployments and applications of AI inside CX strategies. But, when you really look at, where we see AI going, it's around, decision automation. But what's really required there is a really strong, data foundation that is both complete and has really good quality, right? So what I think is going to happen is there are so many companies out there where their CRM and other CX technologies are not what I would say kind of ready for prime time when it comes to the data side of things, and applying agentic and even some generative AI that is going to touch the customer may lead to some really, really, really catastrophic moments. So I think what we're going to see in 2025 are some really big companies lose like billions of dollars in valuation because they're allowing the AI to take actions and automate decisions without human mediation against bad data. And again, it's really having the right, good data to good decisions and understanding where to put a human in the process and where not to. And I think companies are going to maybe get a little ahead of themselves, and we're going to hear a couple really big failure/horror stories among some big companies when they inject this into their CX initiatives without really thinking ahead.
Hi, I'm PVK from Zoho, and my CX prediction for 2025 is to expect a huge wave of digital and data transformation projects that are aimed at preparing for an AI-first, AI-driven world. Data is the foundation upon which we're able to build workflows and intelligence and a ton of value through technology, all of which is only as valuable as the data underneath allows it to be. Many of the leading C-suite executives around the world are already investing in fundamental technology transformation projects within their organizations, and they're looking to choose the right data architecture to future-proof their business, as well as the right technology platforms to support the next era of growth. The companies that invest in and get digital and data transformation right are the ones that are going to have an insurmountable advantage in an AI-first, AI-driven world. I hope you're all able to invest in such fundamental transformation projects in the next year. I hope you have a great year as well. Happy holidays. Cheers.
For me, my big prediction for 2025 as it relates to CX is, to be quite honest, nothing extraordinary. What I'm hoping to see is brands place a higher focus on personalization. And when I say personalization, I mean personalization using the data that they have around organizations. Now, being based in the Caribbean, my prediction is going to be pretty different from the rest of the world because, of course, we're not in the same position as it relates to using data as other organizations. I'd love to see storytelling take center stage for CX as brands dive into building stronger emotional connections with their customers. I'd also love to see brands move away from these generic feedback programs. The generic, how did you feel about our service today? Hits a button. My prediction is that we're going to get smarter about how we use our customer data, and we're going to get more personal about how we interact with our customers. And from an operational perspective, marketing and customer experience is going to come together in a way like never before, understanding the importance of collaboration between these two departments. I think to sum it all up, my prediction for customer experience in 2025 is
Seeing customer experience as a means, not an end, and understanding the importance of working collaboratively and cross-functionally across multiple departments, not only to deliver better experiences to our customers, but ultimately to understand what that really means.
So looking ahead to 2025, I could say AI or artificial intelligence, like everybody else might be doing, but I thought I might be going with something slightly different and something I believe is slightly more fundamental, and a complete transformation in how organizations approach cultural change with a customer-centric mindset. So rather than treating customer experience as a separate initiative, I believe that companies will increasingly integrate CX principles into every aspect of their operation, from hiring and onboarding to performance metrics and reward systems. We'll see CX metrics carrying equal weight to financial KPIs in business performance dashboards, and customer-centric behaviors being a core criteria to promotion decisions. This is something that CX has really struggled with, I guess, over the last 18 months to really truly be able to financially show the benefit that CX can bring. And I believe we've made some really great steps forward in 2024 of being able to do that. And companies that can continue and then implement that over 2025 will be, streets ahead in terms of the CX results they'll be able to see. I also believe we'll see a shift in how companies measure cultural transformation. So beyond their traditional customer satisfaction scores, such as NPS, organizations will develop more sophisticated ways to measure cultural alignment, tracking how deeply CX principles are embedded in daily decision making at all levels. So I believe that the winners that we'll see in 2025 won't just be those with the best products or prices, but those who have truly embedded customer centricity into every fiber of their organizational culture. Let's wait and see.
So as we approach 2025, the CX industry is poised for a paradigm shift driven by CX workflow automation and eventually leading to an agentic AI. The convergence of technology is catalyzing a new era of intelligent end-to-end customer experience orchestration. So what we are seeing is leading vendors are focusing on developing hyper platforms that seamlessly integrate AI-powered workflows across the entire customer journey, from self-service to agent-assisted interactions. This trend enables organizations to achieve the dual objective of cost reduction and CX elevation simultaneously, a feat previously considered mutually exclusive. The rise of functional AI, which goes beyond task automation to manage entire workflows intelligently, is becoming a critical differentiator. We are seeing a marked shift towards AI-driven proactive engagement, where systems can anticipate customer needs and initiate relevant interactions before issues actually arise. Furthermore, the concept of AI co-pilots for agents is evolving rapidly, with these tools becoming increasingly context-aware and capable of providing real-time personalized guidance, elevating employee experience. As organizations strive for operational excellence, there is growing emphasis on AI-powered observability and analytics to continuously optimize workflows and agent performance. The industry also needs more flexible, modular AI implementations that allow companies to start small, validate outcomes, and scale rapidly without disrupting existing ecosystems. So as we move forward, the focus will be on creating symbiotic human AI environments that leverages the strength of both human and AI, ultimately driving unprecedented levels of efficiency, personalization, and customer satisfaction.